welcome to part 5. Is this part 5 of the series? If I'm gonna win this game right now, I'm at 8 million. If I will win this, I think I should be at 10 million because this Shanghai gives you 2 million in rewards. There goes my brown ball with a bank shot over here. And yes, I think I am a bit okay right now. In the previous video, I told you guys that I was having a runny nose. I still do have, but it's much better than previous time, you know, like the last video. Let's go for the orange ball now. Obviously a very simple game. Let's go for the yellow actually in the bottom right pocket. I think this queue has enough backspin for this shot to be possible. There goes the yellow ball, nice shot. Now it's time for the red, just like that, a very quick shot. This is my opponent is shocked. I don't know why. Maybe because I went for 2 bank shots in this game. That's why I'm not sure. Oh, okay. I was not wanting. I mean, this is not my main account, man. I'm sorry. I just cannot even think about forcing bank shots, man. This queue has. I should stop using this queue. Why am I using this queue? I will switch to a lower end queue. But yeah, someone else. I will talk about this first. Okay, I have 10 million coins. Which table? I think one Paris. I'm shivering right now, by the way, because now we are heading on to in a series, I think there are 3 sections, like the starting point, the medium point. I'm just giving random names, and the high point. So this is the medium points right now, you know. Above 10 million, the medium points start. Yeah, so in the previous video, the last video of this series, I mean, wait, can I go for the blue? I will call the pocket, man. Oh, yes, so lucky. I lost all my coins, you know, in the previous part, and then as you saw, I again increased all of them back, and I used a legendary queue to do that, and a lot of people were like, why? I mean, they were not complaining, but there was a comment that said, okay, so we do need legendary queues to increase coins, and I said, like, no, that was only because I wanted to save the series, you know, that's why I switched to the legendary. And keep one thing in mind, the first time I reached, I think 8 million coins, 8 or 5, I'm not sure, it was without a legendary queue. So, and one guy commented that, guys, don't be that shocked. Most people, when they reach 5 or 8 million coins, they are having one legendary queue. I think it was, yeah, 5 million. So it's not like we did something unusual by using a legendary queue at that point. And I just won a game! Coin target for today's video, 25 million coins. So is that too much? Guys, this was my first time playing Bangkok on this series, and I just received a denial. I have no, I didn't get my break and this happened. Obviously, I'm back to 7 million coins and I'm risking this. Do not. Again, not my break. Oh, but wait, something has happened. My opponent pots the cue ball. But okay, this is my only chance to do something, you know. I mean, this is my only chance if I want to get back. I mean, redeem my coins. Let's. Okay, the brown ball will give me some problem, man. I will go for the orange ball. Hit it with this much force. Oh, I think I misjudged the force. The green and the yellow. Oh no. I came over here, but is this enough? He's saying fabulastic. There goes the yellow. Should have used little top spin. Guys, this is ultimate. This is a do or die situation for me right now, and I think I can win this game. Thank you. Okay, let's go for the black. Let's not get excited too quickly. There goes the black ball. At least I am back. Guys, I was about to say, do not do what I've just done. Do not do what I've just done. Again, I'm saying, man, I'm only risking sometimes because this is a series. And I can't. Like, I was at 7 million. Playing 3 Paris matches again would be boring. Like, I have to also keep one thing in mind, that the content should not get boring. So I'd never recommend anyone. Again, it's not my break. When you need your break the most, you don't get it in this game. What is this? Is the brake system rigged? Alright, but I'm lucky about one thing, that once again my opponent does not pot anything on the brake, and I'm just gonna choose solids. I just chose solids because I think the black is gonna go inside right now, like with this very position if I choose solids. Let's go for the purple. I'm playing very fast, I know. Let's go for the yellow, sorry, the blue ball. And now I will go for the orange. Yeah, I didn't change the cube because once again, I mean, this is not that great, that good of a cube. So people do have such a stat cube by this point. Like, what is this, man? I can't believe, what is this? Oh no. Oh yeah, green stripe, green stripe. Oh, I can go for the yellow. Wait, no. Oh, so he's gonna play a safety. Oh, it was going, but this time I was so afraid that I opted for a bank shot. Oh, can I put the... Oh, yes, yes! So, again, in every video, especially in this series, it's getting proved. Not an easy shot, but it does go inside. Every time it's being proved that skill and luck go simultaneously in this game. I will not play on the Soul Tower table now. Like, I just cannot risk that much. And no one should even risk what I am doing right now. But, again, not my... You are seeing this live! For the fourth time, it's not my break. Again, I got denied, man. What is happening? No matter how much skill I apply. Wait, I just went to Soul, and if I'm gonna lose the game... What? Wait. Please give me the break this time. Oh! It is my break. So this is my ultimate chance. Oh no, guys. If I am going to lose this game, I will be down to 2.5 million coins. You're understanding how important this game is, right? This is it, guys. This is the most crucial game of this series up till now. I can guarantee this. Every single shot needs to be precise, calculated, and planned. I just cannot randomly play this game. Yeah, this is exactly... I mean, I didn't expect to touch the yellow, but it still doesn't really change anything, so I'm good. Let's go for the brown ball. Oh, no. Nice! Nice! So I will be at 22 million coins? What are you talking about, man? But can I go for the... Oh, no. I can still lose. Very less force. Just like that. Going... Oh! It touched the green, but we have done it! I got the break. After not getting 4 times, I got the break. 21.5. I think 2 more Paris matches and we will be at 20. I'm really happy about one thing. Like, whoever... I'm just saying, I'm happy that there are being ups and downs in this series. If someone watches this series, like binge watches this all together from the playlist or something, it's gonna look very nice. This is the most realistic, I think, coin increasing series I've ever made yet. Because ever made, sorry, I should not have used the word yet over there. So because the average person goes through all this, the increase coins, the lose coins, and I'm glad that the same thing is being witnessed in this series. Oh wow. Simple game lost because of a simple mistake. I need to reset, man. I need to reset. I'm over here on the 9-ball pool table. I am very frustrated over what has happened in the previous game. I didn't show it. I just wasted a simple game like it was a win. And I could have been at 23 million coins, but I just wasted it. Red ball, go inside. Wow, very fast shot, but... yeah, it's not gonna be enough for... No, I can't. I think I can go for the purple ball. What do you say? Barely, but I can. There goes the purple ball. Orange goes over here. Now it's time for the green. I hope I don't touch the 9 ball. I do not touch the 9 ball. And I touch the black. Now it's time for the brown. And now it's time for the black. There goes the black ball. Cue ball. Okay, cue ball does not go inside. Very nice. Oh, it was going inside. The 9 ball was going inside the bottom left, top left, but the cue ball collided with it. Unlucky. I again started losing coins. You must have seen in the fast forward I switched to the legendary queue in the last game. Like, this is a chain that every player goes through when they try to increase coins. Oh my god, it's my break. This is the most intense match that I've played, definitely in the past 2 years or something. I mean, I can't bet on this. Oh my god, bad break. Bad break. I mean, the black is not in a very nice position. Okay, the red ball is also not, it's not gonna go inside, which is a very good thing for me right now. Let's go for the red ball. Just like that. No matter what happens, I have to win this game. Like, this is a situation, if I had 10 million coins, I risked everything. If I'm gonna lose, I will be down to almost zero. Like, this queue, this legendary queue might give us some, and I will not want that this time. Let's go for the green. Ideally, if I was using a better queue, I would have gone for the blue ball first. But I'm a bit unsure about the spin and all of this, so I did not go for the blue first. It all depends on how much backspin this queue has. Okay, it does at least enough for letting me win the game. Let's go for the black. There goes the black. At least I am back to 20 million coins. Sometimes risking is good, but never risk all your coins. This was a, see the risk that, imagine if I didn't get the break, then that's why I say never risk. Okay, looks like we will be getting to 25 million coins with a bit of a twist. Hold on. Oh, looks like I'm gonna increase the coin target for this video. There goes the black ball. This was very simple. From 20 to 25 million, it was actually pretty simple. And let's see what exactly are we at. 25 to 50. Should I stop, or if I'm gonna win this, we will be at 30 million coins. Okay, I thought I'm gonna put the cue ball. Cue ball, stop. In total, up till now, we have increased 21. No. If I will win this game, then it will be 21 million, because we started with 9 million. If you guys remember in the beginning of this video. There goes my, okay, let's go for the yellow. If what I'm thinking is correct. Oh, stop. Is the brown ball going? Yeah, it is going, but it requires very extreme amount of aiming skill in what I'm thinking right now. Brown ball in the, or should I not do it, guys? Oh no, this is a bad position, man. Again, any person would have gone for this pocket, top left, but you guys know I am bad when it comes to long shots. That's why I'm not gonna choose that pocket. And oh, it does go inside. Guys, hit the like button if you haven't yet. Obviously, he quits the game. What a nice way to end this part of the series. 30 million coins, 21 million in one video. I think it's about time that I should set the ultimate coin goal for this video. In the comment section, tell me, everyone, what should be the ultimate final goal, not the next video, final goal for this series, and also the next video's goal. Okay, don't think this is my main account, okay? Sorry, don't think this is my series account. This is my main account. Brown ball is over there, which I cannot go for, which is totally respectable right now. Let's go for the blue. Okay, I will, what? Oh, this was a solids game. I didn't scan the table, and now I realize this was a solids game. I was trying to make position for the red, but I failed, but that's no problem, because I can go for a bank shot on the red. But the main problem is, where will I put the black ball? I didn't realize earlier, and I just chose stripes. Let's go for the red ball. So I think it's time to lose this game. It's not time to lose this game. What a nice bank shot. This just saved the entire game for us, man. Great. Just went for solos. You know, I'm just thinking, it's a random thought while playing Mumbai that, yeah, one day, I mean, sooner or later, we will also play on the Mumbai table on the series. At least 50, no, even more, like 100 million, I'm gonna say, coins, because Mumbai is a big table, man. And even if you're on 50 million coins and you play a Mumbai, so you're risking 15 million coins, basically. It'll be back to 35, which I don't think so is a very good idea. There goes the brown. And what a... oh, great. Nice shot. This also helped us make position for the purple. Yes, there goes the purple. Now it's time for the black, which I think can go. I will go for a bank shot. I think it's possible, guys. Yes, it does go inside. Black ball goes inside. And I've just defeated Richard from Saudi Arabia. This is my complaint. Like, no one ever gets stuck on the 9-ball pool table. I don't know how come. Alright. I was like, let's end the video with a 10... Guys, this is a 10 million 9-ball pool game. Basically 20 million, yeah, if you count the total bet. Let's go for the blue ball. I mean, my point is, if you do the break, or just let me plain and simple, if you can put your first ball, like the yellow ball, blue ball, whatever, red ball, I don't see a point getting stuck, because all the balls are yours on the table. So that's why I feel like once you get your chance and you can pot the first ball with 9-ball pool, it should be game over. There's a very less chance of getting stuck on the 9-ball pool table. Let's go for the green. Mostly people get stuck immediately after the break if the break is bad, but things are looking grim for this guy. Alright, that's why I'm gonna say impossible. Let's go for the brown ball. Very nice shot. Oh, looks like I'm gonna end up exactly on top of the... almost exactly. Is a bank shot? Yeah, I think it is possible. There goes the black ball. Very nice shot. And now it's time for the 9. Oh, he quits the game.